This video is actually a section of a course. This section includes 4 videos. They are: first, building a simple calculator requirements. Second, building a simple calculator solution. Third, building a to-do list manager requirements. Fourth, building a to-do list manager solution. Okay, let's get started. Simple calculator requirements. The calculator should be able to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division when the user enters an expression like this. Open bracket 1 plus 12, close bracket, times 2, over 3 minus open bracket minus 2 minus 5.088, close bracket. We're learning about flow of the program. Here I have an expression example. After users entering this expression, we need to erase all spaces in the expression. So we have this expression like this. Okay, next we need to find the deepest brackets. You see here there are 3 couples of brackets and one of them is level 2. And that is the deepest couple of brackets. We extract this small expression to calculate first. We have 2 operators. Those are minus and multiplication sign, but I get plus instead of minus, and keep the 3 negative. Because it has plus and multiplication sign, so we need to implement the multiplication first. We have negative 3 times 6 equals negative 18. So there is 1 plus sign left. Then 2 plus negative 18 equals negative 16. Okay, we got the result of negative 16 of the small expression, so then we replace the old small expression with this result. And you notice that before the old small expression there is a plus sign because our result is negative, so we remove this plus sign. Okay, similar to the next steps. Next, I will show you the code. Very short, right? Okay, I will shot each part of code. You can see, or maybe you can find the code by the link. To-do list manager. Requirements. User commands. Year/month/day/hour/minute. Display all tasks for that minute. Year/month/day/hour. Display all tasks for that hour. Year/month/day. Display all tasks for that day. Year/month. Display all tasks for that month. Year, display all tasks for that year. If the user adds the suffix spaced w space file name includes the extension. Save the tasks to the file named file name instead of displaying them on the screen. If the user adds the suffix space rm space task ID, delete the task with that ID. If the user adds the suffix space open quote task content close quote, this command means the user wants to add a task. Save the task information to the storage.txt file. If the user adds the suffix spaced modify space task ID space open quote task content close quote, modify the task with that ID according to task content. Note: tasks displayed on the screen or saved to a file must be sorted in ascending order.